Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're looking at the intonation on question tags. For example, it's nice today, isn't it? The voice goes down, isn't it? Because I'm sure I'm going to get an answer, yes it is. Today's Tuesday, isn't it? Isn't it? The voice goes up because I'm not sure of the answer. I want confirmation. So, if you know the answer, the voice goes down at the end. Geoff is handsome, isn't he? If you're not sure of the answer and you want confirmation, the voice goes up on the question tag. Tomorrow is Friday, isn't it? Question tags. So, listen to these examples and tell me, do I know what the answer will be, or am I looking for confirmation? Here's number one. That's his father, isn't it? Number two. It was nice weather, wasn't it? Number three. That's her brother, isn't it? Number four. She's got two brothers, hasn't she? One more. Number five. That's the other brother over there, isn't it? Question tags. Voice goes up or the voice goes down. English grammar, easy peasy. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye bye.